What's up, YouTube? Today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link where to buy. It's basically a screwdriver set. Pretty cool. As you can see, you open it up. You have like a T-handle. Okay. You also have different size sockets. This one right here to put your other tips. Now you slide this down and you have your other size bits, as you can see. Got the other one right here. Any size you want. It's pretty cool. The T-handle there. Lock it up, and that's it. Well, that is it. If you have any questions, comment below, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.